Good morning, beautiful people. For today's video, we are going to cook a very special dish that will melt your mouth. So in this process guys, nag-add na tayo ng bay leaf, peppercorn, red onion, and salt. So dito natin ilagay ang ating pork belly, of course. So this is it, pancit. Maglagay tayo guys ng konting vinegar. A tablespoon of vinegar. By the way guys, this is our pork belly. This is around 1,200 grams. So around 1 kilo and 235 grams. So yun, pakuluan natin ito na 30 minutes. Boiling na siya. Dapat ano siya guys, i-ano natin, ganyan. Okay. So, pakuluan natin ng 30 minutes. Pag lumalakas na yung kulo guys, diyan natin ma-count ang 30 minutes, okay? Okay. Hindi natin makikita guys pag ano. So ito na yung napakakuluan natin ng 30 minutes. It is been siguro too big. So that's what we pakulo for. 1.5 cup will do. We will add our ingredients, mga buddy. Our onion or garlic. We put our leaf, our black pepper, and we will put in our pork guys. We will put our banana blossoms. Our pineapple. Our black beans. Our soy sauce. 1/4 cup ng soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoon ng oyster sauce. 2 tablespoon ng brown sugar. And 1.5 cup of Coca-Cola. One tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar. So pag kumukulo na ito ng malakas guys, we will cover and simmer in a very low heat for 1 hour or until mag-tender ang ating pork. Supposedly ang ating pork is cooked already, but we need to tenderize ating pork. So guys, we are going to stir. It's 13 minutes to go. Minutes guys, tingnan natin. Napakahin ng apoy na yan, okay? Nice. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ito na yung napakuluan natin ng 1 hour guys. Pero mag-add tayo ng gusto ko sa aking pork adobo yung tender. So, since marami pa siyang sauce guys, oh. By the way guys, we added 1 tablespoon ng soy sauce. Okay? Nag-addition tayo guys. So, yun ang aking gagawin. Additional 30 minutes. Okay? Ganyan lang kahina ang apoy guys ha. For additional 30 minutes simmering. So, it is exactly 1 hour and 30 minutes. Ito na ano, may ignition. Dito. That's our pork adobs. Grabe. Grabe na to guys. The secrecy. Ganyan lang guys. So thank you for watching everybody. From my kitchen to yours. From my kitchen to yours. So guys, ito na yung ating final reveal or final product, the best pork adobo that melts in your mouth. So thank you for watching everyone, and I hope you learned something out of my preparation. I wish you can try this in your own kitchen. Bye-bye, and please don't forget to subscribe this home. So kain na ako guys. I'm gonna eat. Look at my rice guys, oh. So, I think 3 lang muna. Or, pwede din 4. Then, a little bit of sauce. Okay. Kain tayo.